Hello everyone! Today we will talk about how to clean windows and glass so they are free of dirt and streaks. Over time, a lot of dust accumulates on window surfaces, especially along the edges of the frame, at the top, on the mosquito net, and in the bottom crack. Dark marks appear on the rubber seals, which then spread to the light-colored frame. If windows are prone to fogging, mold can also develop in these same areas. Fingerprints and insect marks often remain on the frame, and the glass becomes covered in dust, raindrops, and bird signatures. Let's figure out how to quickly and easily restore your windows to their original condition, so that the frame shines white again and the glass becomes perfectly clear and streak-free. Before you use water, be sure to remove any dry dust. If you immediately grab a wet cloth, the dust will turn into a dirty mess that will be much more difficult to remove. Take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe it over the glass, window frame, window sill, and outer sill. Start with the cleanest areas. First the inner glass, then the frame from the inside, then the window sill. Then open the window and wipe the perimeter, the glass and frame from the outside, and finally the drain. This step will make subsequent cleaning much easier. Now let's move on to wet cleaning. Dissolve a tablespoon of liquid laundry soap in 5 liters of warm water. This solution is excellent for removing dust, street dirt, greasy residue, and fingerprints. Dampen a microfiber cloth or soft sponge in the solution and wring it out well. Pay special attention to the dirtiest areas. As you can see, the handle was cleaned in just a second. The solution is simple, but it works perfectly. As a rule, the corners, plastic joints, the handle and the frame around it get the dirtiest. The washing order is the same. First the glass and frame from the inside, then the outside. Look at these dark marks from the rubber seal on the frame. If you are in the same situation, don't worry. Warm water and laundry soap will remove them easily. Here the frame around the entire perimeter has darkened from the rubber seals. Wipe it with a microfiber cloth and see the difference before and after. To restore the rubber seals, first wipe them with soapy water. Then apply a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with a brush. After 5 minutes, begin removing any stains with a microfiber cloth. If they are slow to come off, gently scrub with the rough side of a kitchen sponge. It won't damage the rubber seals, but be careful not to scratch the frame. Mold can develop in areas where condensation and dust accumulate. Preventing it is easy. If you notice moisture on the rubber seal, wipe it off immediately with a dry cloth. If mold has already appeared, apply hydrogen peroxide with a toothbrush, let it sit for 30 minutes, then brush and wipe the surface. After treating with soapy water, rinse the frame with a clean damp cloth and then wipe dry. A few important points. Be sure to wash your mosquito net regularly. It collects a huge amount of dust, which gets into the room when the window is open. Remove the net, take it to the bathroom, wash it with a soft sponge and laundry soap, rinse and let it dry. To prevent streaks, do not allow the solution to dry on the glass. Avoid cleaning in direct sunlight or windy conditions, as the solution evaporates too quickly. The ideal time to clean windows is on a cloudy, windless day. A crevice brush is useful for cleaning the bottom of the window and the gaps. Then use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and sand. After dry cleaning, any remaining dirt can be rinsed off with a thin stream of water from a spray bottle. To clean the crevice at the bottom of the window, fold a rag and wipe it down. It will absorb all the dirty water. If you find insect stains or bird droppings on the glass, soften the stain with a damp paper towel and carefully remove it with a plastic cut. Now let's get rid of the streaks. Ammonia, iodine, tea or vinegar will all work. I prefer a vinegar solution. Pour a glass of purified or distilled water into a spray bottle. Hard water can leave white streaks. Add a tablespoon of vinegar. Close the bottle and shake gently. Spray the solution and wipe the glass with a special microfiber cloth for glass and mirrors. It has a flat weave, so it does not leave lint. If there are stickers on the glass, they can be removed with vinegar or vegetable oil. Follow this window cleaning algorithm and you'll never see smeared dirt or streaks again. It's simple. First, remove dry dust, then wet clean, and finally wash the glass. Try this method and see for yourself how much easier the process becomes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.